Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you gardening enthusiasts out there. The Scotts Outdoor Power Tools ED70012S 11-amp corded electric lawn edger. Let me tell you right off the bat, this is hands down the best lawn edger available in the market. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this tool is a game changer for your lawn care routine. First off, let's talk about power. The Scotts ED70012S boasts an impressive 11-amp motor, delivering a performance that rivals gas-powered edgers. But here's the best part, it's entirely powered by electricity, making it eco-friendly and much quieter than its gas counterparts. Now, let's focus on precision. This edger comes with a 7.5-inch blade and 3-position blade depth settings: 1 inch, 1.25 inches, and 1.5 inches. Whether you want to create a crisp garden edge or a trench, it's got you covered. Plus, there's a convenient cut line indicator for precise edging and trenching. Adjusting the blade depth is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly lever on the side. No need for special tools, just set it to your desired depth and you're good to go. Worried about tangled cords? Fear not. The Scotts ED70012S comes with a built-in cord retention hook, ensuring your cords stay secure and tangle-free during operation. Assembly is quick and easy, and it doesn't require any special tools. You'll have this edger up and running in no time. Now, for some quick specs, the Scotts ED70012S measures 61 by 10 by 34 inches and weighs just 13 pounds. It's a lightweight champ that's easy to maneuver. I've personally tested this edger, and let me tell you, it's a breeze to use. It glides smoothly along the edges, leaving your lawn looking sharp and well manicured. And here's the icing on the cake. Scotts offers a generous 3-year warranty, ensuring your power tool always performs at its best. In summary, the Scotts Outdoor Power Tools ED70012S is the best lawn edger you can get your hands on. It's powerful, eco-friendly, precise, and easy to use. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual edging. This tool is a game changer for your lawn care routine. That's it for today's review, folks. If you want to make your lawn the envy of the neighborhood, do yourself a favor and grab the Scotts ED70012S. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening!